Hey, how you going? So what we have here is the cheapest diesel heater. It's a Chinese copy. This one was just over 140 Australian dollars delivered. So let's have a look what's in this box. So we've got a manual, 15-litre tank, mounting plate, got a box that's not too heavy. I imagine this is all the accessories. We've got some hoses, a T-piece, some vents, a little tiny muffler, fuel line, exhaust, some kind of exhaust pipe, wiring harness, a big bag full of bits. So we'll open that up in a second, have a look, and some more hose clamps. And then I guess this one is the actual unit. So we've got the diesel pump, we've got the little LCD controller and the remote. Which is quite heavy actually. Get that out of this bag. It's pretty good. So I'll just open up this bag of accessories. We've got a couple of, I guess this is to hold some of the hose up against whatever you're mounting to. We've got some rubber hose, which I think joins up the hoses, a fuel pump mount, a few extra hose clamps, so we've got quite a few of the big ones there, and a bunch of smaller ones, a fuel filter, and a whole bunch of small hose clamps and other nuts and bolts. So for less than 150 Australian dollars, I'm pretty impressed. This is a pretty comprehensive kit. I can't see anything missing. We possibly will need a few other items when we install it, but this is definitely a good start. Join us for the next video where we'll be installing this thing in a caravan. Thanks guys.